Alright, well, welcome back to It's Only Food. Today we're going to be showing you how to make Quiznos Chipotle mayonnaise. So let's go ahead and drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We've got a half a cup of mayonnaise, 2 chipotle chilies, 2 teaspoons of adobo sauce, 1 small garlic clove, 1/4 teaspoon of salt and pepper, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, and a half a teaspoon of sugar. Now this recipe is available down in the description box along with some other links down there that you can check out. But let's go ahead and start mixing this up. Alright, it is a pretty easy recipe. I am going to use my NutriBullet because I don't have a blender. But we'll go ahead and put our mayonnaise in, the 2 chipotle chilies, the adobo sauce, and we got our garlic clove in there. Make sure you peel it before you throw it in there. We got our sugar, salt and pepper, our vinegar, and the Worcestershire sauce. Now a lot of it is stuck to the bottom down there, so I'm going to mix it up so it all comes unstuck, so it actually blends. It smells fantastic. Give it one more shot. Make sure you blend this really, really well. I'm going to go ahead and bowl this up and get some French fries going, and we'll come back after we do our photo shoot and taste it. Wow, that is really, really good. That is fantastic. Yeah, I'm gonna make this more. This is really good. Got a nice bite. The creaminess of that mayonnaise in there, and the chipotle peppers, the adobo sauce, garlic, vinegar. You can taste all of it. What a wonderful combination. Quiznos does it right here. One more bite. Yeah, I can just imagine what this would be on a sandwich. This is really, really good. All right, thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to check out my description box down there. I've got a ton of links with the recipe. I also got a show over on Roku where I actually do more of a cooking show and some stuff you won't find here on my YouTube channel. So go ahead and check that out as well. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care. We'll see you again. Bye-bye.